Let us solve example 3.41 first subdivision. They have asked us to find the value of k. What have they given? They have given the quadratic equation kx square minus of 8k plus 4 into x plus 81 is equal to 0. And again they have given the nature of the roots as real and equal roots. So since the equation has real and equal roots, we have delta is equal to 0. So what is your delta? Delta is b squared minus 4ac. So now we compare kx squared minus 8k plus 4 into x plus 81 equal to 0 with the general quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. From where we get a is equal to k, b is equal to minus of 8k plus 4 and c is equal to 81. So now let us find b squared minus 4ac. So the delta which is equal to b squared minus 4ac we find by substituting the values of a, b and c. What is your b? Minus of 8k plus 4 the whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a is k into c is 81. So now delta is equal to minus square is plus, minus into minus plus 8k plus 4 the whole square minus 4 into 81 is 324k. So now we have to calculate delta. So we make use of our identity a plus b the whole square and expand 8k plus 4 the whole square. So a square 8k square 8k the whole square plus 2 into ab 2 into 8k into 4 plus b squared 4 squared, and already we have minus 324k which we have written here. So delta is equal to 8k squared. So 8k the whole squared is 64k squared plus 2 into 8 16 into 4 64 into k 64k 4 squared is 16. So minus 324k. So now they have given delta is equal to 0. So we have 64k squared. 64k minus 324k is plus and minus. So we subtract. We get 260. The bigger number is 324. So we assign minus. So minus 260k plus 16 is equal to 0. Now we see 4 is common in all the three terms. So we divide this by 4. So when we divide this equation by 4, we get 64 by 4 is 16k squared. 260 by 4 is 65k. 16 by 4 is 4. So now we are going to factorize this quadratic equation. So for that, you take the first a term and c term, ac. 16 into 4, 64. So this we have to factorize to get minus 65. So what will be the factor? Minus 64 into minus 1 will give you plus 64. Now we have to, when we add this, we must get our minus 65. So minus 64 minus 1. So this will give you minus 64 minus 1. Same sign, you add and put the sign. So minus 65. So now to factorize this, what we do, you take your minus 1 of the factor which you have taken, minus 1, and divide by the coefficient of k squared. So minus 1 by 16. And here again, the next factor is minus 64. That again you divide by your coefficient of 16. So this is minus 1 by 16, which is already in the simplified form. Here you can simplify it to the least. So 4 goes, 16 goes 4 times and 16 goes 1 time. So how to write the factor? The denominator will have the coefficient as k. So 16k, and this is your independent term, 16k minus 1. And here this is going to be your coefficient. So 1k minus 4. Therefore, we have 16k minus 1 is equal to 0 or k minus 4 equal to 0. So 16k is equal to 1 or k is equal to 4. So we have k is equal to 1 by 16. Therefore, k is equal to 4 or 1 by 16.